Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I have another entry for you from Heather, who is Crafty Girl Heather here on YouTube. Hi Heather! She's so sweet. She's the one who sent me the bee mug. She's such a sweetheart. So let me open this up. Let's see what Heather sent. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh, I love it. Happy birthday. Isn't that darling? Oh, I love it. Thank you, Heather. You're such a sweetie. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, so she's loving Tiffany Solario on YouTube. I love all her techniques, tricks, and ideas. I just started watching her. Heather Hamilton, August 12th, 2021. So there you guys go. Thank you, Heather. I love it. All right, love you guys. Bye.